Hey kids, so today we are going to learn chocolate fraction. Look at this chocolate bar. Oh, so yummy. Don't worry, we won't eat it. Okay, fine. Maybe later. This is a one whole bar of chocolate. No bites, no missing pieces. It's all perfect. Now let's break it into 4 equal parts. Did you hear that? The chocolate sound? Now we have 4 equal pieces. These pieces are called fractions. If I take one piece, that is 1 out of 4. So we write it as 1 by 4. If I take 2 pieces, that becomes 2 by 4. If someone eats 3 pieces, it is 3 by 4. Now all the 4 pieces are gone. The chocolate bar says goodbye world, that is 4 by 4, which means the whole bar is absolutely finished. Fractions are just a way to show how many pieces of chocolates are. We take from the whole bar. Now tell me, if this chocolate is in front of you, how many pieces would you eat?